Well, hello everybody and welcome back to another video. And on today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and it's a lithium battery that's been sent to me by a company called LITHIUM. They've seen my previous videos where I've been talking about doing my Caddy van build, and they sent me an email. They offered to send me a free battery, and to say thank you I offered to do a video for them, just to, like, an unboxing video and just run through the specs of the battery. So let's get into that and have a look. It's just turned up now, just turned up in the post, and I haven't opened it yet. So let's go and open it and have a look at it. Right, so let's get it open. Oh, it's well packaged anyway, that's for sure. So we've got the product manual. Wow, there's a lot of information in there, isn't there? Yeah, everything you need in there to read all about it. It's a 12-volt lithium iron phosphate battery, also known as a LiFePO4. So let's get it open and have a little look. All that is. Some battery terminal covers, I think. Hello, Hunter. You come to help me do an unboxing, have you? You want to have a look at that? You want to tell me what that is? Yeah, you check that out for me. You let me know what that is. You want to see what's in here as well, don't you? You're just as interested as me, aren't you? Post bolts. Actually says it on the top. I'm going, what's that? What's that? There's a big arrow and a big orange arrow with telling me what it is there. It's just a post bolt. Let's get it out. See how heavy it is. I believe it's about 11.5 pounds, this battery. From looking at the specs. Get that out of the way. So what we got then? Yeah, so they're the bolts that go in the top. Yeah, looks a nice little unit actually. This will fit nicely under my seat. So it's a 50 amp hour. So it's a LiFePO4 50 amp hour 12 volt battery, leisure battery. So this little LITHIUM LiFePO4 12 volt 50 amp hour battery should actually be pretty good for what I want to use it for, because it's actually got 640 watt hour worth of energy. And to put that into perspective, my Power Oak, which I use in my Subaru, is 500 watt hour, and that actually runs my fridge for about 2 days with no charge. So this has actually got more power than that. I'm not even planning on running a fridge in the van. Currently, I'm not thinking about putting a fridge in there because I'm only going to be away for a night or two. So I don't think I'm going to run one. All I'm planning on running off this is some lights in the roof, a max air fan, and I just want to charge up my phone, my drone, just that kind of stuff, like just charging things up really and using it for lights. I won't be doing any electric cooking or anything. I don't really have much power usage compared to some van builds, so I think this will do the job perfectly fine. And because it's got so much more charging capabilities, as in, like, this will charge 5 times faster than a standard lead acid battery. From completely flat, this will charge in 1 to 2.5 hours. Whereas if that was a 100 amp hour lead acid battery, that would take like 10 to 20 hours to charge that. So this charges really, really quick. So if I do a night out in the van, use some power off this, the next day if I drive it back somewhere or drive to another location, if I do decide to stay out for 2 nights, this will probably be charged up again. So that's quite good. That's really good. I'm really looking forward to using this and getting it all set up. And I like this. I like how small it is and how light it is. That'll go under the seat nicely. Where I'm thinking of putting it under the driver's seat of the Caddy van. So it should fit there nicely. And the other good thing about this, because it's LiFePO4, you get more charging cycles out of it. And this is basically the recommended lithium batteries to get these days, because out of this particular battery you get 4,000 deep cycles out of it. So basically you can charge it up to 4,000 times, and it does come with a predicted lifespan of 10 years. And also with the battery you get a 5-year warranty as well. So that's pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link I'll link this down below in the description, and you can go and check it out yourself. And it's a really lightweight little battery. It's not heavy at all, to be honest. And I think the price on this is, in dollars it was $289, and there's an offer on at the moment for it's $169.99, and on the UK website it's £289 reduced to £189. So yeah, basically for $169 or £189 you can get one of these batteries, which in all honesty is a lot better than buying a lead acid battery, you know, like an AGM, a leisure battery, in my opinion, because you're going to get a lot longer life out of this. And it's smaller and it's lighter and it charges faster. So even if I was to discharge this by using it quite a lot in the van, it will charge a lot quicker, if you know what I mean. So when I'm driving, I'll be able to charge it a lot quicker. I'm not planning on running any solar with it at the moment. The reason why I'm not going to run any solar, well, I'm not planning on it, is because I'm mainly going to be using the van in the winter. So if I'm using it in the winter, I'm not really going to get any solar anyway. So I don't think it's worth the expense to put a solar panel up on the roof just to try to get a tiny bit of charge. I'm not planning on going, you know, long trips away in the van. It's more likely just a night or two. So I mainly want to use the van for like winter camping, and I don't want to be going like big distances in it so much. It's just going to be a little. I want to try and do some stealth camps and stuff like that in it. But I got some plans what I want to do. But my Subaru, that's my overland vehicle for going like big distances and staying out for extended periods of time. But the van is going to be short periods of time in the winter, so I just don't see solar's worth doing. So the fact that this charges up, you know, as quick as it does, is going to be a massive benefit. So if I do discharge it and when I drive somewhere else, it should fully charge, depending on what setup I run it on and when I get it wired in. I haven't even figured that out yet, what I'm going to do. But yeah, it should be good. So once I've got it in the van, and once the van build's done, I will show you where I've mounted it, how it's all been wired up, what sort of charging system I'm going to use, whether I'm going to use a basic charging system or whether I'm going to do something a bit more elaborate. But I'm thinking just keep it simple. I don't really need anything elaborate. I don't really need that much in the van. I'll be deciding that as I do the van build, and I'll keep you updated and I'll show you what's going on, and I'll document the van build, and I'll show you more about this battery when it's all in there. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope, you know, it's been useful, and, you know, maybe it's something you want to go and check out, one of these batteries. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye.